Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. To make a long story short, I have a car that rough shift. It has a rough shifting, like it slams into gear. And I'm going to try this and see if it helps. But there is a little bit of ambiguity on this product, because if you look over here, it does says that it provides smoother shift. But if you look at the front, it says faster, firmer shift. So I get the impression that faster is going to slam even more. I don't know. So I don't know if this is going to help with rough shifting. Also on the back, you see this, it makes the shifting faster. So I couldn't figure out if it's going to help or harm. So we're going to go outside. We're going to put this in my car and we're going to see if it helps. So let's go outside. Okay, so we're in the garage. So you add 1 ounce per quart of total transmission capacity. So I have a capacity of 7. So I already made the line there. That's 7. So I'm just going to add this to that. And I'm going to add a little bit more because some of it is going to stick on the container. So let's shake it. The instructions don't say to shake it, but I'm going to shake it anyway. So I already removed that. I did that off camera. There we go. Okay, so on the left, you're gonna see the fluid I took out of the transmission to make space for the Lubegard. It's labeled here, old transmission fluid. And here is the Lubegard with the line that I made. So let's look at the consistency. Let's go out there. And they are about the same. So if you're worried about this changing the viscosity of the fluid, don't worry about it because they're about the same. The only thing is the color is different. The bright red one, that's the transmission fluid, and the one on the right is the Lubegard Platinum. Okay, folks, so the transmission fluid is going to go into that hole. So I'm very lucky to have an older car with a dipstick hole. So it's going in there. If you have a newer car, you're going to have to lift the car and put it in the filling plug underneath. And the instructions do say to have the car running while you do this. So I'm going to turn on the car. Okay, so the car is running. So let's do this. There we go. Should be going in. It's not moving for some reason. I guess you gotta squeeze it. It's almost all in. Okay, it went in. Okay, I think it's all in. Oh, I almost forgot to replace this. So I'm gonna take note of the odometer. We're at 298,558. And I'll tell you when I start feeling any difference, if at all. Okay, folks, so it is nighttime, and as you can see over here, it's we are at 299,115 miles. So definitely we have driven this enough to come to a conclusion about this Lubegard Platinum. So let's go inside and let's talk about it. Okay, folks, so we are back indoors, and my conclusion is that it did not work. It did not make shifting better. It actually makes shifting worse. But there was one good effect that I noticed. I think it gave the car a little bit of more power. And that kind of makes sense because this has all these lubricants and the LXE and the, I forgot what the other thing was called. And if there's less drag inside the transmission, of course the car is going to have more power to deliver to the wheels instead of wasting it in the transmission as drag and as friction. So that kind of makes sense, and I was very surprised that I felt more power when I put this in. So definitely not what I expected at all, and it makes sense that it makes the shifting worse, and let me show you why. Because it says here, basically, if you look at this, it says that the shifting, when you're using the regular fluid, it takes 0.04 seconds. And when you're using the Lubegard Platinum, it'll be in 0.02 seconds. So it's making the shifting faster. So of course you're gonna feel it slamming into gear rather than gradually. See, because with just the regular OEM fluid, it gradually goes into gear in 0.04 seconds. But with the Platinum, it goes really fast into gear, basically slams into gear in 0.02 seconds. So that's a big problem, and I think it's a waste of money. And the worst part is that they say so right here, that it's making the shift faster. And of course, faster is going to be a slam. You don't want faster, you want gradual, not fast. Gradual is what you want, like 0.04, not 0.02. So this makes absolutely no sense. And over here it says so, faster, firmer shifts. So do you really want, if your transmission's shifting so fast that it slams into gear, do you want something to make it even faster? Of course not. You want something to make it gradual. You want a gradual shift. So this failed in that sense, but I was pleased with the added power. At least I felt like it. And this is subjective. I could be wrong, but I definitely noticed an improvement in power. Like there was less drag because there was all these lubricants are reducing drag and friction inside the transmission, so there's more power. And there's less power being wasted that way. So I definitely think this does something. This is not a new this is not an inert product that doesn't do anything. It does do something, but it's mostly negative. So I cannot recommend this product for rough shifting. Maybe it'll do something for something else. I don't have shutter, so I can't say anything about shutter. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, and I can't say anything about it. And my car does have a little bit of slip. It's had it since right before it got out of the original warranty, and so that was 20 years ago. But it hasn't gotten worse, it hasn't gotten better, and this didn't make any difference. So that's the conclusion. This makes the shifting worse, but it does improve power, at least as far as I can feel. So I do not recommend this product. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.